Hey friends, what's up? Hope you all are enjoying your day. I have been using this Infinix Hot 10 for about 2 weeks now and I found out some amazing features. So in this video I'm gonna share some of them with you. Let's get started. Infinix Hot 10 comes with a pre-installed hider called X-Hide, where you can hide your pictures, videos and other stuff. To enable this function you have to go to Phone Master, Toolbox, scroll down and you can see X-Hide. Here, after creating your password, you can hide your private things. If you want to stop any of your apps from consuming your RAM or mobile data in the background, you can just simply freeze it. To use this feature you have to go to the freezer, click on add and select the apps you want to freeze. Let's suppose I want to freeze these. Okay, as you can see these apps are moved here and they no longer will be using my RAM or internet. To unfreeze these apps you have to click on these three dots, unfreeze multiple apps and select all these and OK. Infinix Hot 10 comes with a pre-installed sound enhancer called DTS Sound, where you have 4 different modes: music, video, game and smart. You can select in which mode you want to listen your sound and it will enhance accordingly. To the smart panel, you have to go to the settings, scroll down to the smart assistant, click on smart panel and turn it on. To customize your panel, click on panel setting and here you can select which apps and shortcuts you want to be listed on your smart panel. Social Turbo is a pack of cool features specially designed for WhatsApp. For example, we have voice recorder to save the audio of WhatsApp calls, video beauty mode to smooth the skin in video chats, sticker maker and the interesting peek mode, where you can actually read the message without sending the blue tick to the sender. And at the last we have WhatsApp mode. After enabling this feature, only WhatsApp is allowed to use your internet. Infinix Hot 10 comes with a bundle of smart gestures. To customize these, you have to go to the settings, scroll down to the smart assistants, click on action and gestures. Here we have double tap to wake up, music gestures, flip phone to mute calls, taking screenshot with 3 fingers and many others. To access the navigation gestures you have to go to the system navigation and here you can select the gesture navigations or the 3 button navigation. To add gesture shortcut of any app on your home screen, press and hold the screen, click on menu button, click on gesture settings and select the gesture and your app and you are good to go. If you want to make shortcut of any page from inside the app, you have to click and hold the app and just drag it out. If you are an Infinix user, you might know that these devices are full of ads. So here are some tips to remove that. Press and hold the screen, click on menu, select other settings and turn off zero screen. And to block notifications from notification bar, click on the filter, settings and tick the ad promotion. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care of yourself and I'll catch you in the next one.